Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mickisha868. If you would like to see how I construct and install this wig on my cousin Kiki, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started. So I was not going to record a video of me making this wig. I started the night before, and here I'm just finishing it up. I just have this small section left. I decided why not just go ahead and record it for you guys, so that's what I'm doing here. So Kiki purchased this hair from K Pretty Couture. I'll leave their website listed in the description bar. And her hair is an 18-inch frontal, bundle 22, 24, and 26. The hair is very pretty. I had no issues working with it. Okay, so this wig is being constructed on the dome cap pictured on the side. It's a stretch mesh dome cap, and she picked it up at her local beauty supply store. When making wigs, I like using the nylon thread instead of the cotton thread, just my preference. When I'm sewing the track onto the cap, I go under in between the loop, and then I go ahead and loop it around one more time before I secure it onto the track. I'll show you here again. I'm going under the track, in between the thread, and then I'm looping it through one more time. So there's a little tiny knot above each stitch. So by stitching it this way, I have no concerns of the track coming loose or anything like that. So here it is again. I'm looping it under the track in between the thread, which makes a knot, and then I'm making another knot right above. I hope you guys can understand my explanation of that. And I'm just doing the fold over method, and I've been doing that throughout the bundles. This is the last bundle, of course, and I'm just flipping the track back and forth. So for the last track, I had to actually cut the weft to make it fit within the space, and I'm still sewing it onto the dome cap. And once again, I'm going under, around, and then looping it around one more time so I can make sure it's very secure. So I'm just sewing it on an angle and making sure the entire track fits in the space. And secure the very end with a knot, and then I cut it off. Here you have the fully constructed wig. These curls are so beautiful. So here's the inside of the cap. I'm just gonna cut off that extra mesh so that it's just the lace sitting in that spot. So I definitely took my time. This section is fast forwarded. So I've braided down Kiki's hair and applied the stocking cap to it, and here we're just sizing the wig to make sure it's fitting perfectly. Next, I'm just cutting off the lace around the frontal. I'm using a light brown face powder on the lace just to tint it so that the knots are not showing through. Now I'm just using this isopropyl alcohol. You want to make sure there are no oils or anything under the got to be glued so it doesn't lift. I'm using got to be glued, the black one, and this is just a gel, it's not a glue at all. And I'm just applying that to her hairline and pushing everything back and laying her hairline down. Next, I'm going in with my blow dryer on a cool setting, and I'm drying the got to be glued, not completely, just to make it tacky. I'm also applying the light brown face powder to the top of the stocking cap just to make the color a bit lighter and match her skin tone. Now I'm going in with the got to be glued spray. I'm also making it tacky by using the blow dryer on the cool setting. And then I'm bringing the lace down so it sticks to that got to be glued. Next, I've slicked down her edges and I'm just setting it using a scarf. And now I'm just using water in a spray bottle just to define the curls. And I'm using this spiked hairbrush and I'm just combing it through. This hair is so pretty. So once again, I'll definitely leave the link to where she purchased it here in the description bar below. Here's baby Zane saying hi.
Yo. Number one. Say hi, Zane. Bye. Bye-bye.
So now for the takedown, I'm taking down the scarf. Her edges are set. I'm just fluffing out the hair a bit. And here we have the final results of her hair. Great body. And I didn't even use all 3 bundles. I believe I used 2.5 bundles with the frontal. I'm in love with this install. She likes it as well. And here's just a bonus graduation picture rocking the wig. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.